I recently made some changes and got rid of the Volkswagen and got a different car to replace it. This will be daily driver, but I'll actually be able to do a bit more to this than the Volkswagen. Volkswagen already had pretty much most of what you could do done to it, and it was so expensive to fix anything that went wrong that I didn't really want to screw anything up. So here's the new car.
This is a 2010 BMW 535i xDrive. It's the E61 chassis, which just means it's the wagon version of the E60 sedan of the 5 Series. As far as I know, the car is all stock. The car is Alpine white over tan interior. This car is a sport pack car, which on the wagons just means that it gets just the sport steering wheel as well as sport front seats. It's got a 6-speed auto. The 535 wagons were all-wheel drive, and they have the N54 3-liter straight 6 twin-turbo engine. To start out, I'm going to be doing some maintenance things with the car. These are known for having some oil leaks. Plugs and coils are kind of a service item on these things. So I'm going to start out doing some things just to make sure it's good, and then we'll get to doing some modifications. But it should be fun. I should have more on this car than I did on the Volkswagen because I'm going to be doing more to it.